Hey guys, so I'm going to go over the answers with you to, oh my gosh, chapters 18 and 19. So the first one is a quick write. It says, write about the best memory or experience you have ever had in your life so far. And then we're at multiple choice. How many eggs does Charlotte lay? If you go to page 145, you will find the answer. I'm not going to tell you. Number 2. Why is everyone so excited at the end of chapter 19? If you need to go back and reread it, that's fine. But I'll tell you, it's because Wilbur is getting a prize. Sequencing, so you need to put these events in order. Fern leaves to go find Henry Fussy. I don't remember that happening right away. An announcement about Wilbur is made over the loudspeaker. Charlotte weaves the word humble into her web. That happens pretty early on. Lurvy splashes water all over Mr. Zuckerman and Avery. That doesn't happen very early. And then Wilbur passes out also does not happen early. The first one is that Charlotte weaves humble in her web. The second one is that an announcement about Wilbur is made over the loudspeaker. The third one is Fern leaves to find Henry Fussy. The fourth one is Wilbur passes out. And the fifth one is Lurvy splashes water all over Mr. Zuckerman and Avery. Compare the setting in these chapters with a place you have been. So think about a fair or a carnival or someplace loud with a lot of excitement going on that you might have been to, and compare the two. Okay. How is Charlotte different now than the way she was earlier in the story? Name at least 2 ways. So she starts being more different in chapter 19. So you can go back and look at that. One example is she laid eggs, so she's a mom now, right? She's different because she's a mom. She wasn't a mom before, but I want you guys to go through and tell me how she's different. Number 2, how does everyone react to the announcement over the loudspeaker at the fair? Use textual evidence to support your answer so you can find everyone's reactions starting on page 151 and it goes to 154. And then number 3 says, what do you predict will happen next? So that's your prediction. What do you think is going to happen? Tell me. Now we are on to the vocabulary. So the first one is sneered, which means said something scornfully. Write a synonym and an antonym. Constructed, built. Write a synonym and an antonym. Commotion, noisy disturbance. Write a synonym and an antonym. And then fill in the blanks. The older boy blinked at the younger boy as he condescendingly called him a big baby. There was a great blank in our small town when we heard that the president was coming to visit. The toddler blinked on an impressive tower with her wooden blocks. And then beyond, in the graphic organizer below, compare and contrast yourself with one of the characters from the story. Maybe I would compare myself with Templeton because he loves food and so do I. But you can compare and contrast yourself with anybody you want. And that's it for chapters 18 and 19, guys. And I will read you chapters 20 and 21 tomorrow. All right, bye.